Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Firstly click on this column serial number and select your column. Now drag this column and see this. This column now move and click this column and select edit option. Now select move. Here also you can move column left and right. I'll choose right. And see this column already moved. And select multiple columns and drag it and move and see this. In this way you can move a specific column and multiple columns as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.